Hello kids! In this video, we learn daily routine words. Wake up. I wake up early. Brush. I brush my teeth. Bath. I take a bath. Breakfast. I eat breakfast. Comb. I comb my hair. Dress. I dress quickly. Walk. I walk to school. Bus. I take the school bus. Study. I study at school. Read. I read a book. Listen. I listen to my teacher. Play. I play with my friends. Share. I share my toys. Lunch. I eat lunch at school. Rest. I rest after school. Draw. I draw a picture. Clean. I clean my room. Help. I help my mother. Cook. Mom cooks dinner. Watch. I watch TV. Ball. I play with a ball. Toy. I play with my toy. Homework. I do my homework. Plate. My food is on the plate. Story. Mom reads a story. Lamp. The lamp is on. Clock. I look at the clock. Alarm. My alarm rings in the morning. Headphones. I wear my headphones. Tablet. I use my tablet. Laptop. Dad uses a laptop. Water bottle. My water bottle is full. Puzzle. I solve a puzzle. Crayons. I use crayons. Bicycle. I ride my bicycle. Scooter. I ride my scooter. Picnic. We have a picnic. Fridge. I open the fridge. Microwave. Mom uses the microwave. Candy. I like candy. Umbrella. I carry an umbrella. Raincoat. I wear a raincoat. Rainbow. I see a rainbow. Sun. The sun is bright. Cookie. I eat a cookie. Daddy. My daddy is soft. Doll. I play with my doll. Kite. I fly a kite. Pencil. I use a pencil. Notebook. I write in my notebook. You are doing great, kids. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel for more updates.